Nestled in the fabric of our very existence is an age-old question. What lies beyond our blue planet? For millennia, humanity has gazed at the stars, captivated by their beauty and mystery. Our imaginations have conjured tales of celestial beings, distant worlds, and the very nature of existence. The evolution of space travel has been a remarkable journey, filled with dreams, challenges, and breakthroughs. From ancient mythologies to cutting-edge technologies, our quest to explore the cosmos has transformed our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Join us as we trace the milestones of this incredible adventure, celebrating the pioneers, innovations, and aspirations that have propelled us beyond our earthly confines. Together, we will explore how each leap in technology and understanding has paved the way for the next great exploration. Long before rockets took flight, humanity's fascination with the cosmos was evident in the stories we told and the questions we asked. From the Babylonians charting the stars to the Greeks postulating about the heavens, ancient civilizations crafted elaborate myths to explain celestial phenomena, believing the stars were gods or harbingers of fate. As time marched on, thinkers like Copernicus and Galileo challenged the status quo, proposing models of a heliocentric universe that ignited a new era of scientific inquiry. Galileo's improvements to the telescope opened our eyes to a universe filled with possibilities. His observations revealed moons orbiting Jupiter and the phases of Venus, challenging long-held beliefs and paving the way for future exploration. These early dreamers laid the foundation for future explorers, showing that curiosity and imagination could bridge the gap between Earth and the stars. It was a time when the cosmos was a canvas, waiting for humanity to paint its story. The mid-20th century brought about an intense rivalry that would ignite the flames of exploration: the space race. A clash between superpowers. It was not merely about technology, but about ideology, prestige, and the very future of humanity. In 1957, the Soviet Union's launch of Sputnik sent shockwaves across the globe as the world watched in awe and trepidation. This tiny satellite was the first artificial object to orbit our planet, signaling the dawn of a new age and awakening a global consciousness about the vastness of space. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to journey into space, orbiting the Earth aboard Vostok 1. His triumph symbolized a significant milestone in human exploration, showcasing not just the capabilities of technology, but also the indomitable human spirit. It was a moment that inspired generations, proving that the dream of space travel could become a reality. The pinnacle of this era came in 1969, when NASA's Apollo 11 mission successfully landed astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin on the moon, fulfilling a dream that had captivated humanity for centuries. Armstrong's famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," resonated across the globe, marking not just a national victory, but a triumph for humanity as a whole. It was a moment of unity, wonder, and pride, showcasing the incredible feats we can achieve when we dare to dream big. The conclusion of the Apollo program led to a new era: the Space Shuttle. Launched in the 1980s, the shuttle was a marvel of engineering, a reusable spacecraft that changed our approach to space travel. It enabled groundbreaking missions to deploy satellites, repair telescopes, and ultimately construct the International Space Station. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, offered unprecedented views of the universe, revealing galaxies, nebulae, and the very fabric of space-time itself. The knowledge gained from Hubble reshaped our understanding of the cosmos, illustrating how interconnected our universe truly is. The ISS has become a symbol of international collaboration in space, housing astronauts from various countries who work together to advance scientific knowledge and conduct research in microgravity. From studying the effects of long-term space travel on the human body to developing new materials, the research conducted aboard the ISS has far-reaching implications for life on Earth and future deep space missions. The view of Earth from the ISS serves as a powerful reminder of our shared home, igniting a sense of responsibility to protect our planet for future generations. In recent years, private companies have revolutionized space travel. The emergence of entrepreneurial visionaries has created an entirely new landscape. SpaceX, founded by the ambitious Elon Musk, has pioneered reusable rocket technology, significantly reducing the cost of access to space. Their Falcon 9 rocket made history by returning safely to Earth after delivering payloads to orbit, proving that space travel could be sustainable. In 2020, SpaceX's Crew Dragon became the first commercially built spacecraft to carry astronauts to the ISS, marking a new era in human spaceflight and showcasing the potential of public-private partnerships in advancing exploration. The rise of private spaceflight not only democratized access to the cosmos, but also sparked innovation. With an array of companies vying for supremacy in the market, we are witnessing a renaissance in space exploration, one where competition drives advancements that benefit all. The possibilities seem limitless as commercial ventures aim for lunar bases, asteroid mining, and even the first human missions to Mars. With the lessons learned from past missions and the advancements of today, we stand on the brink of extraordinary possibilities. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon, establishing a sustainable presence that could serve as a launching pad for future journeys to Mars. Imagine a world where humanity sets foot on the red planet, paving the way for exploration, habitation, and perhaps even the discovery of extraterrestrial life. Mars presents unique challenges, from radiation exposure to life support systems. However, the knowledge we gain from sending humans there could be invaluable. Every mission to Mars will not only test our technologies but also our resilience and adaptability as we push the boundaries of human exploration. The future of space travel is not just about visiting new worlds, it's about expanding our horizons and pushing the limits of what we can achieve. Each leap forward represents an opportunity to unite humanity in a common purpose, inspiring generations to look to the stars. As we look ahead, a new chapter in space travel is unfolding: space tourism. Companies like Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic are pioneering suborbital flights, making the dream of space accessible to those with the means to afford it. This burgeoning industry promises not just adventure, but also a deeper connection to the cosmos and a shared sense of responsibility to protect our home planet. Imagine looking down at Earth from the blackness of space, experiencing weightlessness, and returning with a newfound perspective on life. For many, the allure of space will become a reality, and the transformative power of seeing our planet from above could inspire a new generation of stewards of Earth. The evolution of space travel reflects humanity's insatiable curiosity and our relentless desire to explore the unknown. With each mission, we take a step closer to answering fundamental questions about existence, and as we gaze into the vastness of space, we are reminded that the journey has only just begun. The stars await our arrival, and the adventure continues, inviting all of us to dream, to explore, and to reach for the impossible. Together, we are writing the next chapters of our cosmic story, one filled with hope, discovery, and the promise of new frontiers,